Look friend, this is super bright. You can check everywhere. Hi friends, here again, Enrique76. I have a unboxing review. This is LED flashing light from Warsun. Uses for camping, emergency, home or outdoor. This is a super bright. Okay, let's open. This is the flashlight. Coming with the charger. This is the instructions. Here. And this has super magnetic base, water resistant. Let me put it in here. See? They don't move. And a small packet size. See? This is the flashlight. You can move in different. See, they come in red. This is the emergency light. You can put it in metal. You can take it from there. This is the colors they have, and this is the light. And the same, they have different colors. And this light is the battery life. The told you right now has 68%. And look at this friends, you gotta open from here. They have a charging port. You can connect it, even you can charge your phone from here, from the battery. See? Now it's charging. Okay, and when you want to charge the lamp, you can use the other connector from your phone. This is now included in this lamp, so this from your phone. You can connect it here and connect with the small, and you can charge it. This is why you charge the lamp, and they told you here, and you see, or to how many percent you have. I have another LED flashlight from Warsun. This is a waterproof or extreme weather condition. Okay friend, let's open the flashlight. Coming with instructions to me here. This is a small size and they fit in your hand, and even they have a clip that you can put in your belt. You put it in here because you want to carry it. See, it's right there. Okay, this lamp is magnetic too. You see, they go in there and they remove. In case you want to charge it, it's coming from here, and you connect it. Remember, you gotta use from your phone, little chart, and you still the same, connect it. You press from here, and you hold it, the bottom, you see, and the light's coming out. And this is the emergency light. Okay, both lamps are rechargeable up to 12 hours battery life. Thank you, friends. I will leave you the link below if you want to try it. And thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. And see you another video in Enrique 76.